Hi there, do you have a favorite pair of Beyerdynamic DT-990 or Pro headphones, but the stock cable is damaged, old, and as stiff as your grandmother's broomstick? Today, I will show you how to fix the problem when one side isn't working and how to replace the entire cable with a new one, step by step. This is an easy way to save money without buying new headphones. In previous videos, I showed how to modify these headphones with a removable cable, but if you aren't ready for a detachable cable mod yet, then today's video is for you. Start by asking your grandmother for a soldering kit. Also buy a new replacement 3.5mm stereo cable. The link is in the video description. Cut off the old cable. Then measure how long the new cable needs to be and cut it to the necessary length. You won't need the old cable anymore. Next, remove the AirPod cushion on the side where the cable enters the headphones. To see how to replace old earbuds, watch my previous videos. Then carefully remove the speaker housing locking ring. Be very careful with the speaker driver. Do not pull it by the wires, as the voice coil is attached with very, very small wires. It is easy to damage the driver, and if that happens, the repair is over. Cut off the internal wires as well. Then, take the new cable and stretch it from the jack to the cut end. This will improve the cable's lifespan. Cut a piece of heat shrink tubing that fits over the jack. Apply a bit of super glue to the jack and attach the heat shrink tubing. This upgrade also helps the cable last longer. Now, remove the locking metal bracket and take out the protective rubber strain relief. Your task is to clean the old cable out of this rubber part. Mine was broken and covered in super glue by the previous owner, but yours will likely look new and fresh. Inside most cable rubber protectors, there is a metal part that locks the cable in place. You need to remove it to insert the new cable. Next, thread the new cable through this rubber part. Also, don't forget to thread the cable through the headphone housing before putting the rubber part back in place. Remove the cable's outer jacket, but be careful not to damage the internal wires. Thin all the wires. This is necessary to improve soldering quality. You can then use a multimeter to identify the wiring colors. The next step is very important. Using a multimeter in resistance mode, you need to find out which color wire is the common ground and which colors are the left and right channel positives. In my case, the gold wire is right, green is left positive, and red is ground. However, always check this, as colors can vary between cables. Unsolder the old wire and solder the green wire, left side positive, in its place. Then unsolder the next wire and solder the right side wire, gold in my case, in its place. The last wire is the ground, where you need to solder two wires together, the new wire and the old wire that goes to the right side. While soldering, try not to create a short circuit. Then use the multimeter to check if both speakers are reachable and that there is no short circuit. Put the metal bracket back to lock the rubber part in place. Adjust the cable length. Apply some super glue to the cable to lock it in place and put the speaker housing back. You need to center the housing pin against the groove. Do the same with the locking ring. Put the earbuds back on. I hope your buds look better than these. If they look just as bad, watch my previous video and replace them. Finally, open my left and right channel test video with a phase test to check if they sound as they should. That's all. Now you have learned how to easily replace a cable. This guide can be used for almost all wired headphones. I wish you good luck with your repair.